This is Shantae with the flair, baby. Listen, I need you to get up, and I need you to bring back the joy. Joy can help you heal. You know why? Because when you are joyful, when you are laughing, when you're playing like you did when you were a child, guess what? Your body is releasing endorphins. Endorphins is a powerful hormone. It helps your immune system. It helps rejuvenate it. It also helps your heart health. It helps your heart clean itself. Bring the joy back to have better healing. Bring the joy back in your life to help you reverse type 2 diabetes. Bring the joy back to help you reverse pre-diabetes. Bring the joy back to help you, listen, take control over that hypertension. Bring the joy back, baby. Bring it back. Bring it back. There's no need for it to actually go anywhere. Look at me, about to trip out here on the trail. But here's the thing. Endorphins are great, and so are you. This life means absolutely nothing without you. You can win with joy. You can watch a funny clip. You know how many comedians got funny stuff? You know how many bloopers videos with kids, dogs, cats, whatever you're into. There's something funny that you can find. But make a joy appointment with yourself. Do you hear me what I say? You hear me, Miss Wells, America's health teacher. I'm telling you, put it on your calendar. Make a joy appointment with yourself. Literally type it in. Joy appointment. It could be as little as 1 minute. But make time for joy. Make time for that little dose of endorphins. If it ain't on your calendar, it ain't getting done. Me and you both know that. Stop playing. Stop faking the funk. Stop talking about, I get to it, and you trying to be all loosey-goosey. You're going to be all loosey-goosey on your way to a premature toe tag, which means you're going to be in that graveyard much sooner than you need to be. You have an opportunity to live 120 years. Why you tapping out at 60? Why you tapping out at 70, 80? Come on, man. That's a halfway mark. Come on, let's go. You ain't grown till you're 80. Let's go. I want you to get all that you can out of life. Let's go, get glad. Listen, stop making your heart mad. Stop making your blood vessels mad. Stop making your immune health mad. Get glad. Woo-hoo-ah. Feeling like a preacher over here. I love y'all. This is Shantae with the flair. I need you to walk, hydrate, meditate. That's how you're going to also help your body get glad. Listen, it is more than enough time for you to make a joy appointment. Listen, they got laughing yoga. I keep telling y'all, walk, hydrate, meditate. Really want to lean in on that meditation piece. Laughing yoga, that's a form of meditation. Making sure you will make a joy appointment with yourself. Find a way to laugh every single day. Every single day. It affects your physical health. I'm telling you, this works. You ain't got to take my word for it. You can go look it up. Go into Google Scholar, and you can go ahead and see the effect of what endorphins do to your body. That's what's released when we're joyful. That's what the feel-good hormones. Look, you can do all the research you want on endorphins. One thing I know, because I understand how to apply health science, is that when you laugh, when you think of something pleasant and joyful, guess what? Your body releases endorphins. So stop tripping. Make that joy appointment. Hey, try joy. Hey, try joy. How about that? Try joy. Ew. Try joy. Try joy. Let's go. Try joy. Try joy. Y'all can see I like to play a lot, right? So, forever a kid. And the kid in me had to unleash that Ric Flair. That Ric Flair energy is something that always excited me as a child. So check it. Guess what I infused into adulthood? That Ric Flair energy. Woo! Listen, repeat after me. My health is my business. I can win in my health. Woo! My health is my business. I will win in my health. Woo! My health is my business. I must win in my health. Woo! Now give yourself 2 claps and a Ric Flair. Woo! Let's go. Share this with somebody that you love and care about. Listen, and don't miss the 1Hunnid Health Show tomorrow. I will have a special guest, Miss Kay Hudson, co-author of Power Mom. We're going to be talking about fighting to become, doing the things to stop the stress assault on your immune health. All right? So those of you who are parents, you definitely don't want to miss this. Those of you who care about your immune health, you definitely don't want to miss this episode. 5 o'clock live right here on YouTube, as well as the Abundant Health Service page. I will also be sharing the Zoom link if you want to interact with us directly. It's 5 o'clock to 5:20. All right, it's a 20-minute health show once a month, the first Wednesday of every month. You don't want to miss it. Love y'all. Can't stop, won't stop. Peace.